Hey everyone, welcome back to This Teen Travelz. I'm Mateo, and on this channel, I review hotels from a teen's perspective, from Wi-Fi speeds to pool vibes, gaming console hookups, to the best amenities. I've got you covered, whether you're planning a vacation or a staycation. I'll help you decide if the hotel is worth your time. Today, we're checking out the Kingston Marriott in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. This hotel just opened in December 2024, and my family has stayed in all the other Marriott properties in Kingston, except this one. Stay tuned to find out if this hotel meets the teen travel standard. Let's get into it. First impressions, this hotel has a unique look. The lobby is inviting, with check-in desks on one side and the restaurant on the other. There's plenty of seating. And the best part, the chairs have built-in outlets, so you can charge your devices while chilling. Oh, and you know that signature Marriott smell? So good. My family even has a machine at home to recreate it. Check-in was smooth, and the staff were super friendly. Shout out to Doug, one of the managers, who took the time to chat with me and tell me more about the property. It's not every day that hotel staff take the time to talk to us teens, so big thumbs up to him. Special mention to Richa, who was the first staff member to greet us. She continued to check in throughout our stay, always curious to learn how we were doing and making sure that we had the best experience possible. Her friendliness and attentiveness really stood out. There were plenty of luggage carts at the entrance, so unloading was easy. We didn't have our car this time, long story, but if you're driving, they offer paid underground parking. We booked a double queen room, and my first thought, everything smelled so new. The room was super clean, and I noticed a lot of staff constantly cleaning the hotel, which was really impressive. Size-wise, the room was decent, but the standout feature, the massive TV, it had to be at least 60 inches. The beds were comfy, and since this is a new Marriott, the floors are hardwood, which is great for anyone with allergies. The bathroom had a stand-up shower, which I love, but the biggest surprise, while my sister and I were deep into a competitive Super Mario Party Jamboree match, there was a knock at the door. I thought we were in trouble for being too loud, but nope, it was a staff member, April, offering turn-down service. I've stayed at tons of full-scale Marriotts, and this has never happened before. They tidied up the room, refreshed linens, and even left a mint chocolate on our pillows. Mind blown. Connecting to the Wi-Fi was easy across all my devices: laptop, phone, iPad, and Nintendo Switch. Since my family has Marriott Bonvoy Titanium status, we get enhanced Wi-Fi, and it was fast. No issues playing online games. Even Roblox ran smoothly while chatting on Discord. At first, I was worried about connecting my Switch to the TV, but Marriott has seriously leveled up. Right under the TV, they added an HDMI port and a USB-C charging spot. Thank goodness. So connecting my console was super easy. Quick tip: bring a power strip so you're not fighting over outlets with your family. No pool vibes at this hotel, unfortunately. Doug told me that during renovations, they found most guests preferred a huge upgraded fitness center instead of a pool, so I checked it out. The fitness center is way bigger than most hotel gyms, with plenty of cardio machines and weights. They even have an outdoor terrace for yoga or meditation, though it was closed for the season when I visited. Since my family has Marriott Titanium Bonvoy status, we had access to the M Club Lounge. And let me tell you, this might just be the best M Club Lounge I've ever visited. It was huge, bright, cozy, and had so many seating options. Every seat had charging outlets, which was a win for me. It was perfect for my family. My dad got some work done, my mom chilled by the fireplace, and my sister and I battled it out in Uno. The lounge also had grab-and-go snacks and drinks, plus the best hotel coffee machine ever. It even had 4 different hot chocolate flavors. Since the hotel had low occupancy at the time we visited, they invited us to the restaurant instead of serving hot apps in the lounge. We got wings with the sriracha honey sauce, so good, and a charcuterie board. For breakfast, my parents went to the restaurant while my sister and I slept in. Typical teens, right? They sent me pictures though. They got a breakfast app, croissant with a fruit bowl, before their main dish from a special M Club members menu. The restaurant's breakfast menu had a lot of solid options as well. When you do decide to get up and get out, there are plenty of good places to eat within walking distance of the hotel. Bear with me, I have a pretty long list. Need a light snack to hold you over until dinner? I always make a habit of stopping by Panchenko Bakery and Cafe to grab a chocolate croissant, or one of their other fresh baked treats. A must stop when I'm in Kingston, and a local favorite, is Harper's Burger Bar. Their burgers are so good, you cannot leave Kingston without trying one. If your family's in the mood for seafood, Diane's Fish Shack and Smokehouse is just steps away from the hotel. It's always highly recommended by locals. On this trip, I also heard great things about Kingston Brewing Company. It's right next to the hotel. We didn't have time to check it out, but it's definitely on my list for next time. If you're looking for a sports bar chain vibe, you've got two options near the hotel. Chuck's Roadhouse, just 1 block south, and Jack Astor's, just east of the hotel. For trusty Tex-Mex, Lone Star Texas Grill is only a 5-minute walk away. My family went there on our first night because they had a fajita special that Tuesday. In the mood for steak? The Keg is one of my go-to spots, and it's conveniently located right across the street from the hotel. There are so many great local spots in Kingston, and supporting small businesses here is a great way to experience the city. Here are a few more quick recommendations. Chez Piggy Restaurant and Bar, a well-loved Kingston staple. Olivia, delicious Italian food, perfect for a nice dinner. Black Dog Tavern, cozy atmosphere with great food. And of course, dessert. I always visit Mio Gelato, located just south of the hotel. They have a ton of gelato flavors to choose from, and just half a block away from the hotel is Beaver Tails, where I grabbed a Bananarama, chocolate hazelnut spread plus banana slices, as a mid-afternoon snack. So good! One of the best things about this hotel is its location. Being in downtown Kingston means you're close to a lot of fun attractions. Some must-visit spots include Kingston Waterfront, perfect for a walk with beautiful views. Fort Henry, a cool historic site with reenactments. Kingston 1000 Islands Cruises, great for seeing the area from the water. Queen's University, a stunning campus worth checking out. Marcus Square at Kingston City Hall, ice skating in the winter, farmers market in the warmer months. Kingston Visitor Center, located inside the beautifully restored old train station. This is the best place to get maps, travel tips, and attraction recommendations from friendly local experts. If you're planning to explore, consider getting a K-Pass. It gives you access to multiple attractions for one price, which is a great deal if you want to see a lot. So, what's the verdict? The Kingston Marriott is a top teen choice. If I was giving out awards, this hotel gets gold. Cleanliness, 10 out of 10. Staff friendliness, 10 out of 10. Huge shout out to Doug and Richa. Teen friendly tech, 10 out of 10. Lounge and location, 10 out of 10. Between the amazing M Club lounge, friendly staff, and awesome location, I'm definitely coming back. Huge shout out to the entire staff for going above and beyond. They truly encompass the meaning of hospitality by providing a very friendly and generous reception to guests. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Kingston Marriott. Just a reminder, this review is not sponsored. My family paid for our stay, and as always, I'm giving you my honest team perspective. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel reviews from This Teen Travelz. See you in the next one. Bye! Ah, man, I messed up. It's okay. Great for with anyone with allergies. Wow, It was huge. It was huge. Man, I don't like the way I said that. I'm gonna restart it. Ouch, was the bitch for me. What the heck? I sound like a baby. Man, I'm like actually really not good. Did I say blonde Vloy? We're teching out. That's what I said. It's okay, I'm almost done. I feel like I'm lagging, but in real life. Yeah, that's what just happened. Why right at the end? Why, Mateo? What? Why at the end?